Hi, lovely kids. All the students of grade 5, I'm welcoming you all over here on the platform of Swiftlearn. So, yes, you are on the India's most sincere learning destination. And kids, we have brought in very easy session from mathematics for you, that is average. You might be having some difficulties. Don't worry, I'm here to help you out in this easy chapter and we will be understanding it while doing some questions as well. In fact, we will be looking out for something interesting. So make sure you are there in the session. Okay, so before that, let me quickly tell you that the platform provides you live classes so that you can interact with us easily. Okay, and there is a mentor as well for you so that your progress can always be uplifted. So kids, make sure you book your free trial class over here because the perks are surely going to help you. Alright, and if you are here for the first time, make sure you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon as well. Okay, and if you're liking the session, do press like button, share it with your friends as well, that so that they can also learn with you. Okay, so yes kids, let's move to this easy chapter, average from mathematics. You have encountered this word many times. बहुत बार आपने ये word सुना है, right? तो क्या मतलब है average का and how we will be using it in real life as well. See students, when you will be trying to find this thing to actually relate things with your real life, it will be making the things so easy for you. Try doing that. All right, try doing that. So let's understand about average. When I say average, it means yes, you must be having different words in your mind. You can write to me in the comment section as well, what do you think while hearing the word average. So average मतलब ठीक है कि ये कुछ लगभग इतना है. सो येस, दैट्स व्हाट इट मीन्स और यही हम लोग आज फाइंड आउट करेंगे भी और मैथ्स में देखेंगे कि एवरेज हमें कैसे हेल्प करेगा. तो उसके लिए पहले हम एक सिचुएशन देख लेते हैं. चलो एग्जाम्पल से समझें इसको कि एक्चुअली में हम इसे कहाँ यूज करने वाले हैं. ओके चलो मान लेते हैं आपको कुछ अपने लिए एक शॉपिंग करना है एंड यू हैव टू बाय समथिंग वर्थ रुपीज, लेट्स से 50 रुपीज. ओके, INR 50. आपको इतना रुपीज जमा करना है एंड यू आर हैविंग 5 days टू सेव सम मनी. टू सेव दिस मनी, हाउ मेनी डेज यू हैव? 5 days. तो आपको हर डे कितना अमाउंट सेव करना होगा? इन अ डे how much amount you have to save? 5 days में you have to save 50 rupees. In one day, how much amount you will be saving? You got that correct. You got that correct. Okay, you have to save 50 rupees. ये आपके पास 550 के 10 के नोट हैं, 10 rupees note. And you have to save this amount in 5 days. So obviously in one day you have to save 10 rupees. But kids, unfortunately, let's say you were not able to save 10 rupees. You were only able to save. Actually में आपने जो save किया आज के दिन on the first day. Actually you saved on first day only 9 rupees. Now what you are going to do? You have to save more money the next day, right? So what you will be trying to do? You have to save more money tomorrow. Oh, unfortunately, on the day 1, day 2, again, you were not able to save much. Means you were just able to save rupees 8. Oh, now what you will be doing up? No worries, on the third day, you can save more amount. And on third day, you were able to save 14 rupees. Great, right? And likewise, on the fourth day and the fifth day, you were able to save some money. So kids, what I'm mentioning over here, आपने एक जनरल आइडिया फाइंड आउट किया इस 10 रुपीज से कि आपको एवरेज एक दिन में 10 रुपीज सेव करने थे, बट आप नहीं सेव कर पाए तो उसके लिए आपने कंपनसेट किया बाकी दूसरे दिनों में. ओके, सो एवरेज गिव्स यू अ जस्ट ओवरव्यू कि आपको एक्चुअल में लगभग कोई भी काम कितना करना है, कुछ भी काम कितना करना है. देखो एक्चुअली यू वर एबल टू सेव 9, लेकिन मीन्स लगभग आपको 10 रुपीज सेव करना था. ये कुछ ऐसी ही बात है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई आस्क यू दैट हाउ मेनी चपातीज डू यू ईट इन अ डे, सो At times you eat 4, at times you eat 3, at times you eat 2.5 as well, as per your appetite. It happens. So what you will be saying up as? आप अगर एवरेज में पूछूं आपसे कि जनरली आप कितना चपाती इनटेक करते हो, तो आप बोलोगे चलो आई ईट 3 चपातीज. बट इफ आई आस्क यू हाउ मेनी चपातीज हैव यू ईटन टुडे, ओके, सो ये 3 चपातीज आपके लिए एवरेज हो गया. एंड हाउ मेनी चपातीज यू हैव ईटन टुडे, सो मे बी यू हैव टेकन अप 2.5 चपाती टुडे. सो ये आपका इन पर्टिकुलर है. ओके, सो आपको एक बात यहां से बहुत अच्छे से क्लियर हो गई बच्चों, दैट एवरेज गिव्स अ जनरल आइडिया. ओके, तो इसका आइडिया लेना समझना जरूरी था. और ये कहां आपको हेल्प करेगा? इन मल्टीपल प्लेसेस, राइट? You usually have your percentage in your classes, how much you score generally. That's not your every time score, but एक average आपके बारे में एक आइडिया देता है कि okay, you generally score this much in your classes. ठीक है, तो this is the idea of average. अब हम mathematics में इसको कैसे use करेंगे? So let me give you an insight. So the idea which I was giving you is, so Hemant, जैसे कि यहाँ पे एक example लिया, so maybe one of you is Hemant, or you can assume your name over here. ठीक है, तो you have to save suppose 10 rupees each day. But देखो यहाँ पे you were able to save actually different money. You were able to save 9 rupees, 11 rupees, 13 rupees another day, 8 rupees and 9 rupees. So means actually आप 10 rupees नहीं सेव कर रहे थे, लेकिन ये एक आपको आइडिया देता है. एवरेज गिव्स यू एन आइडिया. तो ये एवरेज कैसे आपने फाइंड किया? अगर आप इन सारे अमाउंट को ऐड करोगे, इन सारे अमाउंट को आपने अगर ऐड किया, व्हाट यू विल बी गेटिंग इट एज? यू विल बी गेटिंग 50. और कितने डेज के लिए आपको इसे सेव करना था? 5 डेज. सो दैट यू हैव डिवाइडेड बाय 5 and that gives you average. 50 divided by 5. 5 tens are 50, right? So you got 10 rupees each day. This is not questions, this is money. All right, so what I have mentioned, देखो आपको कहीं ना कहीं एवरेज का आपने अनजाने में ही फॉर्मूला कैलकुलेट कर लिया. एवरेज का फॉर्मूला भी अब हम निकालना बहुत इजीली सीख लेंगे. आपको एक आइडिया यहां से क्लियर हो गया. ठीक है, so you have added all the 5 amounts and what you have done, you have divided it by 5. so बच्चों एवरेज का एक जनरल आइडिया ये है कि आपको ये एक आइडिया देता है कि लगभग आपका वैल्यू कितना होगा. अब एक बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग बात मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. यहाँ पर आप जब भी एवरेज देखोगे ना, एवरेज वैल्यू हमेशा इन जो भी वैल्यूज में से बीच में ही इसके कहीं आ रही होगी. देखो अगर यहाँ पे आप सबसे स्मॉलर वैल्यू देखो, दैट इज 8. 8 इज द स्मॉलेस्ट वैल्यू ओवर हियर. एंड व्हाट इज द बिगेस्ट नंबर? दैट इज 13. राइट, तो एवरेज हमेशा आपको इनके बीच में ही कहीं मिलेगा. 8 से 13 के बीच का कोई भी नंबर हो सकता है, वो आपका एवरेज होगा. तो एवरेज बच्चों कभी भी आपके स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर और बिगेस्ट नंबर से ज्यादा नहीं हो सकता. मीन्स इफ इन योर क्वेश्चंस यू आर गेटिंग अ आंसर एज either less than 10 means less than 8 or greater than 13, so obviously it means you need to recheck on your question, right? All right, chalo, so hope you got it. Let's try to understand that average gives you an idea, so let's try to do some questions out of it. Okay, average tells you what? Sum of given numbers divided by number of quantities. I guess you have written it. So please write down the formula. Average is what? Sum of given quantities divided by number of quantities. Right? Written? अब देखो आपको इसे यूज कैसे करना है, ये आपके लिए मैजिक मंत्र होने वाला है आपके क्वेश्चंस के लिए. प्लीज नोट इट डाउन. सम ऑफ गिवन क्वांटिटी डिवाइडेड बाय नंबर ऑफ गिवन क्वांटिटी. पिछले वाले क्वेश्चन में सम कितना था? Yes, that was 50 rupees. And for how many days? For 5 days. And you calculated average as rupees 10. 5 divided by 50, that gives you 10. Okay, let's use it for some questions. तो यहाँ पे आपके लिए पहला क्वेश्चन है, ऐसे ही क्वेश्चंस आते हैं बच्चों एग्जाम में. Try to have a look. Find the average of first 5 multiples of 7. Oh, so we have to find the average of what? of first 5 multiples of 7. अब क्वेश्चन में हमें नंबर्स तो नहीं दिए हैं, लेकिन हमारे लिए एक्स्ट्रा काम है यहाँ पे कि हमें पता होना चाहिए मल्टीपल्स. सो व्हाट आर मल्टीपल्स किड्स? यस, multiples. As the name is saying, name में ही multiply आ रहा है. Means the table in the of 7. Multiples of 7 means the numbers which actually occurs in the table of 7. If you multiply any number with 7, you will be getting a multiple of 7. Right? So any number. All right. So first 5 multiple of 7. So 7 के first 5 multiple कौन है? उसके लिए पहले आपको multiples पता होना चाहिए, as I mentioned. तो चलो इसका solution करते हैं. So first 5 multiples of 7 are. So 7 को सबसे पहले आपने 7 से multiply किया, you got 7. Then the next multiple, 7 ones are 7. Now 7 twos are 14. That's the next multiple. The third multiple, 7 into 3. 7 threes are 21. Now the next one, 7 fours are 28. And 7 fives are 35. Great job, kids. Now we have to find the average. Now what is the formula for average? How do you find average? Average, the formula for average is sum of quantities divided by, yes, speak up, number of quantities, right? I hope you are speaking the formula with me. That's, as I mentioned, that's a magic mantra for you kids. Okay, never forget it. Average, sum of quantities divided by number of quantities. Now let's put the values. What is the sum of quantities? We have to sum up the quantity for this first. तो चलो इनको count करते हैं. So 7 plus 14 plus 21 plus 28 plus 35. And we have to divide it by number of quantities. How many quantities do we have? 5. तो चलो quickly इसको sum कर लेते हैं. Shall we do? Yes? Okay. So 7. Now see. अब add कैसे करेंगे? You have 7 in the unit place, 4 in the unit place, 1. Let's count it up. So 8, 5. Okay. So 7 plus 4, 11. Plus 1, 12. Plus 8, 20. Plus 5, 25. So 5. Carry will be 2 in your mind. Now the tens place. 3 plus 2, 5. Plus 2, 7. Plus 1, 8. And 2 was carry. So 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. Divide by 5. Okay, so you have 105 divide by 5. Now let's divide 105 by 5. What will be the answer? You can divide it in rough. Let me do it for you over here. You know that 5 twos are 10. It is dividing completely. Yay, we got a 0. Now we will be writing 5. And you know 5 ones are 5. Okay, so we got the answer as 21. So the average of first 5 multiple of 7 is 21. And hey, have a look. 21 is over here as well. So what I mentioned, average is surely going to be a number in between of 7 and 35. Average यहाँ पर 22 भी हो सकता था, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं है कि इनमें से ही कोई वैल्यू होगा, बट 7 और 35 के बीच का ही कोई नंबर हो सकता है, इसके अलावा नहीं. यानी कि आपका आंसर बिल्कुल ये है, करेक्ट. Alright, I hope you have noted it down. Let's move to the next question. I hope you are enjoying to find it out. Okay? Alright kids, let's move further for the next question. The heights of 6 boys in a class are 140 centimeter, 143 centimeter, 167 centimeter, 153 centimeter, and so on. Find the average height of the boys in the group. कैसे निकालेंगे एवरेज? आई नो सम ऑफ यू हैव स्टार्टेड डूइंग दिस. क्या करना है? व्हाट डज अ मैजिक मंत्रा से? देखो, सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन में आपको क्या कहा गया है? एवरेज हाइट बताना है. तो इन सारी हाइट का हमें क्या करना होगा? सम. इतना हमें समझ आ गया कि एवरेज के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? सम ऑफ ऑल द हाइट्स. डिवाइड बाय व्हाट? अब डिवाइड के लिए तो कुछ दिया ही नहीं है. दिया है ना? दिया है 6 बॉयज. और अगर नहीं भी दिया होता तो आप काउंट कर लेते. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Right? So that's what you have to do. Number of quantities, जितना आपकी quantity है उसको add कर लो. Okay, let's do it then. So average height will be what? सम ऑफ हाइट, तो मैजिक मंत्रा है सम ऑफ क्वांटिटीज, यहां पे हमें पता है क्वांटिटी हाइट है, तो हम हाइट लिख देंगे डिवाइड बाय नंबर ऑफ बॉयज जिनकी हम हाइट की बात कर रहे हैं। ठीक है, तो सम ऑफ हाइट विल बी 140 प्लस 143 प्लस 167 प्लस 153 प्लस 157 प्लस 152। यहां पे आपको ये सारे ही हाइट्स दिख रही हैं। नाउ व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, डिवाइड बाय 6 boys are there, so 6. All right, we can easily add them up. 0 3 7. Now what I mentioned, have to add the last digit. So 3 plus 7 10, 10 plus 3 13 plus 7 20 plus 2 22. So 2 will be carry. 5 plus 5 10, 15, 15 plus 6 21, 21 plus 4 20, 5 and 429 plus 2 31. So carry 3 over here. 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 5 6 7 8 9. 912 divide by 6. Practice adding the numbers as much as you can. See kids, in mathematics the simple rule is try to do as many questions as you can. Addition, you might be having some difficulty in quick addition. Just try doing up as many questions as you can. And trust me, you will be, it will be in your tips. You will be able to add quickly. So 912 divided by 2 divide by 6. Now let's divide it. So 6 divided by 912, in rough we can divide it easily. 6 ones are 6, remainder 3. Now we will be writing the next term, that is 1. 6 fives are 30. We got 1. Let's write the next term, that is 2. Yay, 6 twos are 12 and we got it. So 152 centimeter is the average height. Guys, you need to write centimeter as well. Okay, so 152 centimeter is the average height, and see the unit, the answer is in between of the smallest and the greatest number here. 140 और 167 के बीच का ही number है ना? तो in this way you have to do the questions. Hope you have wrote it down as well. Let's move to the next question, right? Enjoying the questions? Great. तो पहले आप सम अलग से भी फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो और एनीवेज फाइन, इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा बच्चों की आपने सम को पहले कैलकुलेट करके अलग से लिख लिया, एक ही बात है, और फिर आप फॉर्मूले में लिख सकते हो। ठीक है, जैसे यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया, सम ऑफ हाइट को पहले ही कैलकुलेट कर लिया और फिर अपने फॉर्मूले में रखा, और आप चाहें तो सारे नंबर्स को लिख सकते हो, फिर बाद में भी 912 लिख सकते थे, एक ही बात है। द आंसर वुड बी करेक्ट इन एनी ऑफ द वे। ऑलराइट, ग्रेट। चलो, let's try some more questions which you have to do by yourself. Okay, so you have to pause it out and try doing the question. Here is a question. So here is Manav, you can assume yourself marks in weekly test. Okay, you usually have weekly test, right? So you try to do you ever calculate what you are doing? Do you evaluate yourself? You should be doing that. Okay, तो चलो, ये मानव के marks हैं in different subjects in the week for the 5 subjects in English, Hindi, Maths, Science and Computer. So what we have to do, we have to find the average marks. क्या करेंगे? You all know the trick. So आपको क्या करना है, sum find out करना है and divide by the number of subjects. Let's do it. Okay, so what will be the sum? You can calculate over here. So 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 8 18 plus 2 20. So 0 over here, 2 here, right? Now 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 8 35, 35 plus 8 43 plus 2 45. Okay, so 450 marks is the sum, but we do not need to find the sum, we have to find average. तो average आप कैसे find out करेंगे? sum of marks divide by total marks. So sum of marks कितना आया है? 450. And how many subjects were there? ये marks कितने subject के हैं? 5 subject के, 1 2 3 4 5 divide by 5. सो आंसर कितना आने वाला है? चलो भाई क्विकली डिवाइड कर लो, जीरो को आपको यूज करने की जरूरत नहीं है. 45 डिवाइड बाय 5. सो 5 9s are 45 and then a 0, right? So his average marks are 90. See, you have become a genius. You are doing the question so quickly. So 90 marks is the average marks. Let's try some more questions, right? You must be observing IPL these days. Chalo, so quickly let's assume Rahul over here. You can assume your favorite player, and he played 5 cricket matches for his college. Okay, for IPL, let's say he scored these marks. What was his batting average in these 5 matches? So question is asking you again that you have to find the batting average. Means you have to find the average score of Rahul. So again, for average you have to find sum of scores divide by number of मैचेस जिसमें ये स्कोर किया गया है. तो कितने मैचेस उसने खेले हैं? देखो 1 2 3 4 5. सो 5 स्कोर्स है, तो नंबर ऑफ मैचेस आप लिख सकते हो. तो सम पहले फाइंड आउट कर लेते हैं. सम ऑफ स्कोर्स विल बी हाउ मच? आप कैसे भी कर सकते हैं. आप सम ऑफ स्कोर्स में डायरेक्टली वैल्यू रख सकते हैं, या इसको आप सेपरेटली कैलकुलेट कर लो. तो 110 प्लस 86 प्लस 102 plus 58 plus 75. How much it will be? Yes, try to calculate it. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 8, 16 plus 5. Carry 2. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 8, 11 plus 5, 16 plus 7, 23. So 2, 3, 4, 431 is the सम ऑफ स्कोर. ठीक है, कैसे करना है? बस एडिशन करना है आपको. आपको अगर एडिशन में प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है तो आप क्या करेंगे, साइड में यहाँ पर रफ वर्क के लिए स्पेस बना के यू कैन ऑन द राइट साइड ऑफ योर नोटबुक यू विल बी राइटिंग द स्कोर्स 110 86 102 58 and 75. Okay, that's how you are going to do it. Super simple, kids. You already know the idea how to add numbers, right? So 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 6, 16 plus 5, 21. So 1 carry 2. So 8 9 10 11 11 and 7, 16. 16 plus 5, 21. Oh, so sorry, I think there is a 110 86 100 258. All right. So 8 plus 2 10 16. 16 plus 5, 21. So 2 plus 1 3 plus 8 11. 11 plus 5 16. 16 plus 7, yes, is 23. Sorry, over here 3 will be there. So 23. So 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. So 431. Now what we have to do, average. क्या करेंगे हम एवरेज के लिए? सम ऑफ स्कोर हमें मिल चुका है 431 and how many matches? 5 matches. So let's divide it. अब हमें क्या करना है? 431 को डिवाइड करना है 5 से. Let's do it. You know, let's read the table of 5. 5 8s are 40 and 5 9s are 45. So we will be using 5 8s are 40. You got 3. 43 minus 40 is 3. Now we will be writing 1 from here. Again 31 is bigger than 5. Can be divided. 5 6 are 30. Hey, we got 1. Now what to do? If you know decimals, we can put a decimal over here. Okay? Right? Decimal आता है आप लोग को, तो decimal जैसे ही मैंने लगाया, now I can write a 0 over here. पता है ना आपको? आप यहाँ पे एक 0 को ऐड कर सकते हैं. decimal लगा के यहाँ 0 को ऐड कर सकते हैं. Now we have 10. Earlier 1 was there, which was smaller than 5. अब आपके पास 10 है. So 5 2s are 10. So the answer will be 86.2. So the average score of Rahul is 86.2. Got the thing? That's how you have to do it. I hope you have noted it down as well. You can take a screenshot or can pause the screen. Clear? 86.2 is the score. तो आप देख रहे हो कि आपको जगह जगह अलग अलग जगह पे एप्लीकेशंस दिख रही हैं, एवरेज को आप कितनी ही जगह पे यूज कर सकते हो, ठीक है। इनफैक्ट एक जनरल आइडिया अगर आपको चाहिए किसी भी चीज का, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आप अपने एक्सपेंसेस का आइडिया लेना चाहते हो कि आप इन अ मंथ कितना एक्सपेंड कर रहे हो, सो मे बी डिफरेंट मंथ्स कैन बी डिफरेंट, बट एक एवरेज आइडिया के लिए आप क्या करोगे, प्रीवियस जितने भी मंथ्स हैं उन सबको ऐड करके डिवाइड बाय नंबर ऑफ मंथ्स कर लोगे। तो ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट सम थिंग्स इन योर होम विच रिक्वायर सम एवरेज, कि आप एवरेजली ये कितना करते हो, आप एवरेज कितना वाटर यूज करते हो इन अ डे। सो मे बी एट टाइम्स यू आर यूजिंग मोर वाटर, कुछ दिन आप कम वाटर यूज कर सकते हो, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द रिक्वायरमेंट, लेकिन एवरेज आप कितना वाटर यूज कर रहे हो। सो ट्राई टू फिगर आउट एटलीस्ट 10 थिंग्स फ्रॉम योर डेली लाइफ जिसमें कि आप एवरेज चीजों को यूज कर रहे हो, एवरेज वर्ड का यूज कर रहे हो। कैसे करके? बाय फाइंडिंग आउट सम डेटा कि लगभग इतना होगा। Okay, so try doing that. See, everything has the application in real life. और आपको हेल्प कैसे करेगा एवरेज, कि आप कंपेयर कर पाओगे कि आपको किन चीजों में कंपेयर करने के लिए, लाइक आपको फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू हैव टू बाय योर फेवरेट बैग, so you will be comparing on different stores कि यहाँ इस स्टोर में you are getting it at this price, in that store you are getting at this price. so आप अपने लिए एक आइडिया बनाओगे कि अच्छा एवरेज आपको ये इस अमाउंट में मिल जाना चाहिए, so that average will be giving you an idea to compare, right? All right, so I will be giving you now, kids, what we are going to do is this will be a quick quiz round in which I will be giving you some questions to do quickly. Okay, so which you have to try out. So let's go for the very first question. Okay, so you guys are supposed to take a screenshot as well so that you can practice it and share the correct answer to me in the chat box. Okay, I will be making you understand a few of the questions from here, but you have to try some of the questions by yourself as well. Okay, take a screenshot, try this question. So the weekly consumption of wheat in two families during first 3 weeks of a month is given. Find which family has more consumption. तो आपके लिए यहाँ पे अमाउंट दिया गया है कि दो फैमिलीज हैं, फैमिली ए, फैमिली बी, एंड in the first week 3.5 kgs of wheat is consumed, second week में इतना, and third week में इतना. So दोनों families के लिए आपके पास दिया हुआ है. So what we have to do, we have to find which family has more consumption. So what we will be doing up? Yes, you know it, right? So for you will be finding the average for family A as well as the average for family B as well. Okay? Let's do it. So average for family A will be 3.5. These are the amount, right? 3.5 plus 3.4 plus 4.8 divided by how many weeks are there? कितने weeks के लिए ये? 3 weeks. So divide by 3. Now यहाँ पे आप क्या करेंगे? 3.3 plus 3.7 plus 2.9 divide by 3. Let's calculate the average. So you have to share me the correct answer in the chat box. Which family has more consumption of wheat? जिसका average ज़्यादा होगा उसका consumption ज़्यादा होगा, right? ऐसे तो पता नहीं चल रहा है, कभी family A ज़्यादा consume कर रही है, कभी family B. So what you will be doing it up? You will be finding the average, right? That's what you do. So comparing the data. So you have to write to me in the chat box. Okay, next question for you is marks obtained by 3 students in 4 subjects are given over here. You have to find the average marks for each student and have to share which student is performing the grade. Now see students, here Ishu has scored 80. One of the marks for Ishu is 80 in English and one of the marks is 90 as well. For Rishu has scored 90 as well. आशु हैज स्कोर्ड 80-70. अब यहाँ पे आपको पता नहीं चल रहा है कि सबसे अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस किसका है. सो फॉर दैट व्हाट यू विल बी डूइंग इट अप, यू विल बी फाइंडिंग द एवरेज फॉर आशु, फॉर ऋषु एंड फॉर ईशु. क्या करना होगा? इन सभी मार्क्स को आप सम करोगे इन चारों सब्जेक्ट्स के एंड डिवाइडेड बाय 4 सब्जेक्ट्स आर देयर, राइट? Likewise, you will be adding 60 plus 90 plus 60 plus 50 divided by 4. 80 plus 80 plus 80 plus 90 divided by 4. Means you have to add all of these, which you have done earlier as well, which I have made you understand earlier as well, कि आपको सारे सम को ऐड करना है और डिवाइड बाय नंबर ऑफ क्वांटिटीज. तो यहाँ पे क्वांटिटी क्या है? मार्क्स. कितने सब्जेक्ट्स के मार्क्स हैं? 4. तो डिवाइड बाय 4. दैट्स व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. सिंपल. ओके. Hope it can be done. Take a screenshot. Try to give the answers, guys. Okay. I would love to see कौन यहाँ पे correctly answer करता है और कितना performance आप अच्छा अपना कर पा रहे हो. Okay. So that is a thing to be observed. So I am giving you some questions to be solved by yourself. As in homework, I will be giving you some hint as well. So take a screenshot and let me give you an idea what is to be done in the first question. Calculate the average of first 10 prime numbers. So before proceeding to is the magic mantra. The magic mantra is solve as many questions by your own as much you can. देखो, I can assist you for each and every question. मैं आपको यहाँ पे 20 questions करवा दूंगी. But that won't be helping जब तक आप खुद से add on नहीं करोगे. खुद से you will not be practicing. Okay, so think over it. Calculate the average of first 10 prime numbers. अब यहाँ पे आप एवरेज निकालना तो आता है, बट अगर आपको प्राइम नंबर के बारे में ही नहीं पता होगा, सो यू विल बी एट लॉस. तो आपको प्राइम नंबर्स का आइडिया होना चाहिए. सो व्हाट आर प्राइम नंबर्स? Yes, prime numbers are those which get divided by 1 and itself only. जो कि खुद से ही डिवाइड होते हैं और 1 से. So the very first prime number is 2, not 1. Yes, kids, make a note. 1 is not a prime number. Okay. Moving further, then 3. You have to write first 10. So 2, 3. 4 is a prime number? No, because it is in the table of 2 as well. Then 5, 6. Oh no. Then 7, 8, 9, 10. No. 11, 12. No. 13. Yes. 14. No. 15. No. 16. No. 17. 18. No. 19. Yes. 20. No. 21. No. 22. No. 23. 24. No. 25. No. 26. No. 27. No. 28. No. 29. 30. No. 31. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, we had to stop over 29 because we have to find the average of first 10 prime number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now what we have to do? Yes, kids, we have to add all the numbers and divide by 10. That's what you have to do. That's how you calculate average. Okay, I have given you the hint. Try finding the average by adding up all the numbers. Okay, and dividing by what? By what you will be dividing it up as? Yes, you will be dividing it by 10 because you are having 10 numbers. Okay, so this is to be divided by 10. I hope you can do that. So now you have to share me the correct options out of these. For first, what will be the correct answer? Okay, try doing it. Alright, let's move to further question. The second question, take a screenshot. I have given you such kind of questions earlier as well. Let's try to do it. I will be making you do this question with me. Let's do this question. Chalo. So the average height of a family of 6 members is 162. Kids, for the very first time हमें average दिया हुआ है. And if the height of 5 family members are these are the height of 5 family members, you have to find the height of 6th family member. What is to be done? Oh, तो इस टाइम पे क्वेश्चन आपके लिए अलग है. Average is what over here? Sum of height divide by number of members. Sum of height is, and what is, यहाँ पे आपको average भी दिया हुआ है, and average is 162 centimeter. That is equal to, what is sum? 154 plus 156 plus 160 plus 159 plus, I'm writing over here, you have to write in a straight line, 158. Now यहाँ पे आपके पास दिया है कि फैमिली में कितने पर्सन्स है, 6. अब हाइट तो आपको 5 की दी हुई है, तो 6th वाली हाइट को वी विल बी अज्यूमिंग एज x, क्योंकि वो हमें नहीं पता और यही तो आपको फाइंड करना है, फाइंड द हाइट ऑफ 6th फैमिली मेंबर. सो यू विल बी अज्यूमिंग इट एज x. नाउ कितने पर्सन्स है, 1 2 3 4 5 6, so it will be divided by 6. Got the thing or not? Yes, got the thing. Let me write it properly for you over here. So 162 is equal to 154 plus 156 plus 160 plus 159 plus 158. तो अब ये जो सारे 5 टर्म्स हैं इनको हम एड ऑन कर सकते हैं. Let's do it then. Okay. So 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 9 19, 19 plus 8 27, but we cannot add x, so 7 over here and 2 is the carry. 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20, 20 plus 6 26 and 2 was carry, so 28. 2 is carry. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, 6 7. We will be writing it here, 787. Plus x is also here, we have to write x as well, divide by 6. Now what is to be done? 162 is equal to 787 plus x plus by 6. Now you know how to solve the equations, right? तो यहाँ पर जो 6 डिवाइड में है ये चला जाएगा मल्टीप्लिकेशन में. We will be multiplying 162 by 6, क्योंकि यहाँ ये राइट साइड में डिवाइड में. So 162 into 6 we have to do. So how much it will be? 6 into 2 is 12, carry 1. 6 6 are 36 plus 1 7. 6 1s are 6 plus 3 9. So 972 is equal to, so what you will be doing it up, 162 into 6 is equal to 787 plus x. 162 into 6 is 972 is equal to 787 plus x. Now we can easily find the value of x from here, right? X will be what? 787 will be taken to the left. So 972 minus 787. So we can write 972 minus 787. What will be the value? चलो मैं आपके लिए यहाँ पर इसको सॉल्व करती हूँ. 787. So the answer will be 12 minus 7 is 5. Okay. Then 16 minus 8 is 8 and 1. So 180. Yeah. So 185. Yes. 12 minus 7 is 5. Minus 8 is 8 and 1. So 185 centimeter is the height for the last person. Okay, 185. I hope you got it. If you want to write down the solution as well, you may write for it from here. But the thing is that you have to practice a lot. So I hope you got it, that 185 centimeter is the correct answer. Alright, so let me give you some more questions which you have to do. Okay, so the total sales in a grocery shop for a week are rupees 5600. Find the average sale per day. कैसे निकालेंगे एवरेज सेल पर डे? क्या करना होगा? सुपर सिंपल. वीक में कितने दिन होते हैं? 7. तो क्या किससे डिवाइड करोगे? ये 7 डेज का अमाउंट दिया हुआ है, डिवाइड बाय 7. सुपर सिंपल, राइट? Fourth question. Again, the fourth question is similar to the second question which we have just did. Try doing this question. This is the same as the previous one. तो आप इसको try करोगे खुद से एक बार. Okay? And try to give me the correct answer in the chat box. Here comes the fifth question for you guys. Take a screenshot. Let me see who gives me the most correct answer in the chat box, and I will be announcing the name of the kid in the next class, the one who has done the most questions correctly. All right. So if you want to be there with your name, make sure you do all the questions correctly. Try doing it. Try practicing it. Okay. Here comes the next one. Average of all numbers between 6 and 34 which are divisible by 5. Means you have to pick out those numbers which are divisible by 5. So between 6 and 34. Okay? Yes. Apply some tricks. All right. Seventh question, kids. Hope you have taken the screenshot. Here comes the eighth one. Two more in your list. Okay? Chalo. So with these questions you have to share your answer as well. Try practicing, and wherever you find difficulty, kids, trust me, we will be taking it as well. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for joining in. I hope you enjoyed this, because we have learned so much of tricks of average from here. And if you are finding this useful, so make sure you like the session, share it with your friends, and yes, make sure you subscribe, because we are bringing so many of things for you each and every day. Okay, so bye kids, this is Vaishnavi signing out from here, and take care. Bye bye.